We at Liaison College have taken it very seriously to implement strict measures in terms of safety, sanitation, and protective equipment that our students are both wearing and interacting with. We are training the first round of culinary professionals post-COVID. Just think of it. Never in the history of Canada, Ontario, Hamilton, have we been in a position where our culinary students and our culinary professionals will be considered, in my opinion, essential services. We now have people who have not only a passion for food, but a passion for the safe delivery of your food. We're Liaison College in Hamilton. We know it's tough out there with COVID. We're not slowing down. As a matter of fact, we're stronger than ever. We're taking this on. We're becoming better and better at what we do and the services that we provide.